Hey guys, in this video I just want to share a little bit about optimizing images in Pro. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified if there's a new video. So I have set up a background image here. So let's inspect the image, and as you can see, it's 565 KB. That's the image weight, and it has a resolution of 2880 by 4320, and it's a JPEG image. So the first tool that I'll show you is called the image kit. So this is the image kit plugin. This is just easy to set up. You just need to sign up to ImageKit's website. I'll just quickly show you here. You just sign up here, and basically you'll just get the CDN URL and configure it in the ImageKit settings. So ImageKit.io has a free CDN service. So now that this is activated, let's refresh the page. So let's inspect the image again. So now you see here that the file size was reduced. So before it was 565, now it's 520. Resolution is still the same, and the image type now is WebP. So ImageKit converts images to WebP. So WebP is modern image type, and this is slider, and this is recommended by Google. So ImageKit uses WebP for browsers that support WebP. So if a browser doesn't support WebP, this will be JPEG. So this works for the background image. I have here a regular image here, and if you notice the URL, it's the image is now coming from the web ImageKit CDN. So this is the ImageKit's CDN. So as you can see, optimizing an images is, should I say, it's very easy. It's just you just install the plugin and configure the URL, and that's it. So this is the ImageKit plugin. I'll show you another image optimization plugin, and that's ShortPixel's adaptive images. So I haven't installed it here, so let's install it first. So install, and this works out of the box. So let's activate that. Let's refresh the page. ShortPixel also has a CDN service. You don't have to configure anything in the plugin. So let's inspect the element or the image. Still, this is a cached version. So now, if you notice, the URL is coming from or the image is coming from ShortPixel CDN. So let's view this in the sources panel. Oops. Not sure why I can't so let's check the. So ShortPixel, as you can see, it took some time to load. It's maybe because of the let me check the plugin here. It looks like it has a lazy loading effect. As you can see here, it's also WebP, so the behavior here is different in ShortPixel. So let's go to settings. So it also has a WebP support and fade-in effect. It sure does have a lazy loading effect, so let's disable that. And let's reload the page. So it did load the image quickly here, so just disable the lazy loading effect to avoid delays. So we can't view this in the sources panel, so let's try to download the image and so we could see. So if you download the image, you can see that it's a WebP image. So let's try downloading that, and let's see the properties of this image. So as you can see here, it works. It optimized the image like the ImageKit plugin, so it's also 520. So that's the image optimization part. So there's another feature that you need to know, and that is image resizing. So I've tested ImageKit, and the plugin does not automatically resize the image, so we'll just use ShortPixel. So let's see the image size of this background. And it's 2880 by 4320. And let's see the image below that, the image element. So as you can see here, it's 2036 by 1358, but the size that's used here is only 1018 by 679. So let's enable or activate ShortPixel. And by the way, I've disabled the WebP support here so that I could see the image size. So let's reload the page again. So let's check the background image. And the file size was reduced here. That's the image optimization, but the resizing part does not work for backgrounds. Let's check the image below, and as you can see here, the original image size was double the size, but now it's the what's loaded is only the 1018 by 679 version. So this one is lighter, and that's the image resizing part. So this is available in ImageKit also, but you need it is not available automatically using the plugin, so you need to configure it using the URL queries. So hope that gives you an idea of optimizing your images. And by the way, there also are other image optimization plugins like Optimal here. I haven't tested this, but I just recommend that you don't limit yourself to ImageKit and ShortPixel. So you might want to look for other image optimization plugins. I'll put the links to the plugins down in the description below, and don't forget I also have other videos, so if you want to learn more about using X, Cornerstone, and Pro, don't forget to check out my other videos. So hope that helps.